Alright, what's up everybody? In today's video we're going to be installing the shift boot. I'm going to try to use this knob. I thought this would look decent. So, alright, let's get to it guys. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is pop this plastic trim off. I didn't even need a tool for this. Mine was pretty much, I just couldn't pull it up, so. It's very dirty and gross. I'm definitely going to clean this. Put that down there for now. Like, ugh, what is that? That is absolutely disgusting. Now we just got to take out, looks like there's 2 screws right here. Put the e-brake on. It's in neutral. There we go. Got one. Got 2 more back in neutral. Put it in the park. Turn off the car. Just because I don't want to like kill my battery, even though I could just recharge. But let's see if we can't just get this off now. Oh, yeah, like this is nice and nice. Okay, it just picks right up. Nice. That's so gross. Look at this. Ugh, that's freaking disgusting. That's so gross. Okay. That's like a freaking biohazard. Well, I am gonna, I guess, just set this down here on the floor, on the mat. I can always clean that up later, I suppose. Grab our shift boot. Alright, it's not great, but at least we got it on there. So, like, this is what I got so far. It's not freaking great, but that's the best I could do because this was not fitting in there, so it's okay. This is what it's gonna be like for now. That's it. There we go. Okay, I didn't even have to cut it. I could have just pulled it off. That's wonderful. Well, I guess that's why you always try to pull first, guys. Pull before you cut. Lesson learned. We all learned something new. Hopefully you learned something from this video. But here's the piece for that. So that's actually pretty good quality too. Nice. Alright, now let's see if we can't get this to sit further down like it seems like it wants to. Now this should work. Well, let's hope it does. Moment of truth, guys. We got reverse, we got neutral, put back in reverse, put it in park. Nice. Alright, we're in business, guys. Shifts. Now it looks like this. You can actually read it better now. Before it was all, man, it's still kind of, it's not bad. I like it. It is way better than the stock shifter, so looks good, guys.